The Office of the Data Protection Commissioner wants the controversial Worldcoin barred from processing data collected in Kenya between April and August. In an affidavit, Deputy Data Commissioner Oscar Otieno has warned that there is a risk that the data will be modified if the court does not intervene. And as Ayub Abdikadir reports, the Data Protection Office has accused Worldcoin of frustrating the ongoing investigations into its activities.
In papers filed in court, the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner wants the issuance of orders stopping further collection of data from Kenyans. The affidavit by Oscar Otieno, the Deputy Data Commissioner, says the processing of the personal data through Worldcoin project does not adhere to the principles of data protection laws as set out in Section 25 of the Act. The affidavit in part read, the applicant is undertaking investigations in relation to the Worldcoin operations in Kenya by the respondents. The Worldcoin project, a matter of great public interest, is described by the respondent on its website as a project aimed at establishing universal access to the global economy, regardless of the country or background. It is designed to become the world's largest human identity and financial network, giving ownership to everyone. The Data Protection Commissioner adds that having reviewed the Worldcoin project in the country, the office was satisfied that the Worldcoin project is not safe for Kenyans, warning that the data collected is likely to be abused, accusing the Worldcoin project of frustrating investigations. The affidavit reads, the applicant believes that the respondent is likely to tamper with, erase and modify or further process data, contrary to the Data Protection Act of 2019, thereby frustrating the investigation currently being conducted by the applicant. In the court papers, the office also accuses Worldcoin of failing to obey an order suspending its activities for 60 days in May 2022, stating, despite the suspension and directive to cease processing of personal data, the respondents continued to process the said personal data. It took the public directive by the CS Interior to halt their operations on August 2nd. Preliminary findings by the Ministries of Interior and National Administration and the Ministry of ICT established that Worldcoin is not a legally registered entity in Kenya. The government is also investigating the source of the money being paid out to the participants and the beneficiaries of the Worldcoin project. Ayub Abdikadir, Citizen TV.